Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. You already know what we're doing. Copycat recipe today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make those delicious KFC wedges. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our potatoes. And guys, I just cut these babies in wedges like this. Very easy. Right here we have our flour, we have milk, we have some Tabasco sauce, smoked paprika, Cajun seasoning, seasoned salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and we have 1 egg. That's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. So to get started, we're gonna prepare our flour. We're gonna add our smoked paprika, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and our seasoned salt. And we're just gonna get that whisked up like that. All right, guys, and you can also taste your flour just to make sure it's seasoned to your liking. I know that's good for me, so we're gonna go and move on to the next step. The next thing we're gonna do is take our milk that's in this bowl, add our egg, and we're gonna add our Tabasco sauce. And we're gonna get that whisked in. All right, now we're gonna move that aside a little bit. Bring our potatoes back into the shot. We're gonna take a handful of our potatoes, drop them in this mixture. And you wanna add enough of them to where they're all in the mixture. So we're gonna let these sit here for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. Now our potatoes have been sitting in our milk mixture. We're gonna take, you can use your hand or you can take a slotted spoon. We're gonna take just a handful of them out of here. Make sure you just kind of shake off the excess milk. And we're gonna drop them over here in our flour. Let's use our other hand. And we're gonna get these babies battered up or breaded up, whichever one. And we're gonna shake off that excess like this. I'm gonna sit it right here on this rack here on the side. Just like that. Just that easy, just that easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of them, and we're gonna come back once we get all of them breaded, all right? All right, so now that we have our potato wedges all breaded up, we're gonna head over to our stove. I got our oil on there. We're gonna heat that up to 375 degrees. Once it gets to that temperature, we're gonna start dropping those babies in there, all right? All right, so now we're at our stove. Our oil is up to 375 degrees. We're gonna start dropping our wedges. And guys, you wanna cook these in batches. Don't overcrowd your pan. And we're gonna let these babies cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. And guys, as you can see, they're rising to the top, so that means they're done. So we're gonna go ahead and get these out of here. Take a look at that. Oh man, beautiful, beautiful golden color. We're gonna sit them right here on this resting rack. Get that one out of here. I'm gonna put them in a warmer while we finish the remaining wedges. All right, so we're working on our last batch here. I'm gonna go ahead and get these babies removed. Look at that, man. We'll add these over here to our warming rack. All right, let's go ahead over to our cutting board. Take a look. All right, so this is what we have here, our wedges. Let's take a look at that. Man, beautiful, beautiful. All right, nothing left to do but get these babies plated up in quality control. So let's go ahead, make it happen. There you have it, copycat style KFC potato wedges. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control and give them a taste test. Yeah, it's quality control time, guys. Let's bring these wedges to the front of the congregation. Take a look at that. Oh man. Man, they smell so good, bro. Before I dip it in this ketchup, I'm just gonna take a bite of it. The batter, seasoned to perfection. Now let's dump a little bit in that ketchup. I don't even eat my French fries with ketchup, but I do eat my wedges with ketchup. I know that's a little weird. Man, and it got a little crunch to it. Nothing really special, just KFC wedges. I love them. Every time I go to KFC, I get me some of those wedges. So until then, you already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef. He just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.